Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Tabs 3. Today I'm going to talk about a report that you may not know about if you're using task-based billing. So that's the electronically filed bills that we submit to insurance companies. And sometimes we need a way to see transactions based on a task code rather than a transaction code. So let me show you the report that we have that will show you that. So in Tabs 3, underneath our Reports tab, and then Transaction Reports, you may be familiar with the Transaction File List. And the Transaction File List gives you the ability in the transactions to select a certain transaction code. And we do have the option when we say transaction codes on the Transaction File List format to be able to sometimes see those specific codes, but we don't have a way to pick a certain one on the screen. And we also don't have a way to export those task-based billing codes on the report. So when we hit comma delimited or we try to export, we lose that task code ability to sort and to go ahead and export that information. So there is another report that you can use that you can run to get those specific pieces of information. And that is the task code billing report. It's right next to the transaction file list in the transaction reports. When we hit that, again, same parameters that we can do. We can say that we want a specific client or matter. But on the transaction tab, now we have the ability to choose a phase task code and a fee activity code, or a cost phase task code or a cost expense code. So we could run this report for a certain L, 150 or 101 or whatever we need here, 300. And then also the activity code, A, 102 or E105, whatever we need on here. We can sort specifically to get that information out of tabs. The other options are similar, so we still are able to do our work in process archived, all of that, like we can on a transaction file list, and also the format. Our sort will be a little bit different because instead of a transaction code, we can also sort by phase task or activity code. I'm going to leave the defaults in here just to quickly show you, just with everything checked or the normal defaults, how this will print. But we can see we do have the task code and the activity and E codes in here. And like I said, you could sort that by those codes. And these are also, will be exported when we do the comma delimited or export to Excel. You'll still be able to have that information and work with it outside of the program if you wish. I hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to visit our website or give us a call. Thanks.